Okey, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam, sir.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good
Good
evening.
evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Are you guys?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. How are you? I'm
Yeah,
fine. How about you? Fine.
I'm fine too. Alhamdulillah. Okay, guys. Could
Thank
you
you.
read to me what you can see on the screen?
Learning English
Easy
with
and
Learning English with Miss Lee.
2025
One,
Monday week.
Monday week 2025 March. Monday week 2. Okay.
Okay, good job. Learning English with Mizi, March 2025, Monday, week 2. Okay, so hari ini kita dah sampai ke sesi kedua untuk bulan March. Okay guys, jom kita teruskan ke page yang berikutnya. Tetapi sebelum tu saya nak kamu salin tarikh hari ini, tulis tarikh hari ini dalam buku masing-masing. Okay. So, macam biasa, I'm going to tell you about the rules during online learning. The first one is you have to be very, very quiet during the explanation. Number two, please focus in the class and make sure there are no noises around you. Number three, raise your hand if you want to show that you have done your job. And also raise your hand if you want to ask me something. Just use a button in your Zoom devices. Number four, write down the notes that you can see on the screen. And the last one is communicate, meaning that you have to take part in the learning activity throughout the session. So these are the 5 rules that you need to know during online learning. Okay, guys. Tanpa melengah masa, tajuk kita pada hari ini adalah toys. So, we going to learn about toys. So, sebelum kita baca tentang toys, saya akan nak ucap, Hai Osman, Hai Hester, Hello Kaisara, Hello Anas, Hello Raja Amina, Hai Aisyah Hani, and Hai Auni Sofia. Saya nak tanya kamu, apakah maksud toys dalam bahasa Melayu?
Mainan. Permainan. Mainan. Mainan.
Yes,
Mainan.
mainan.
Mainan. Alat main.
Betul, betul, betul. Mainan lah. Bukan permainan lah. Mainan. Okay. So, okay. So, kita akan ready. Saya akan panggil seorang-seorang untuk jawab. Tapi sebelum tu, saya nak kamu salin ini dulu dalam buku masing-masing. Sambil kamu salin, saya nak bagi tahu apa itu toys. Okay. Penerangan dia adalah toys are things, adalah benda. Things. We play. Kita bermain. Ingat bermain with for fun. Untuk fun. Fun lah untuk gembira lah, untuk keseronokan. So sekali lagi, toys are things we play with for fun. We play with for fun. Ah, dah saling ke belum?
Dah, sir. Dah.
Dah.
Dah saling?
Belum. Dah, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. So, kita akan pergi ke page yang berikutnya. Practice A. Okay. Osman nak tanya, what is this toy?
It's a ball.
Oh, very good. How to spell ball?
B O
A.
B A L L.
Very
Ball.
good, Osman. Thank you. Esther, what is this?
Skipping rope.
How to spell skipping rope?
S K I P P INGROPE.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Okey, yang lain sila salin lah. Bila dah ni, sila salin. Okey, ni ball. Ini skipping rope. Okay, Kaisara, what is this?
Skateboard.
How to spell skateboard?
S K
Yes.
A T
Mm-hmm.
E
Yes.
B
Okay.
O
Yes.
A R D.
Yes. Very good. Thank you, Kaisara. Anas, what is this? Anas?
Rollerblade.
Yes, how to say rollerblade?
ROLLERBLADE.
Ada apa kat belakang?
S.
Very good. Thank you, Anas. Raja Aminah, what is this?
Yo-yo.
How to spell yo-yo?
Yo.
Thank you. Very good, Raja Aminah. Thank you so much. Aisha Hani, what is this thing? Aisha Hani? Aisha? Aisha?
This is sandcastle.
Sandcastle. Hmm. Sen pendek kat sini. Tak apa, so tolong. Okay. Seeja Aisyah Ani sebut perkataan. Huruf je tu. Okay, Aisyah ni ready?
Ready. B U I L D I N G B L O C K S.
Cuba bunyi.
Building block.
Very good. Building blocks. Dia macam Lego lah, Aisyah. Macam Lego lah. Tapi kalau bahasa umum ni adalah building blocks lah. Okay, thank you Aisyah. Very good. Berikutnya, siapa mau jawab lagi? Maya and... siapa baru masuk? Siapa yang baru masuk tadi tu? Okay, Auni Sofia.
Clown head.
How to spell clown hat?
C N O W N H A D.
Bunyinya?
Clown head.
Very good, Auni. Thank you so much. Berikutnya, Ida. Ida?
Dinosaur.
Very good. How to spell dinosaur?
D E A S O U R.
Bunyinya?
Dinosaur.
Very good, Ida. Thank you. Osman, what is this?
A balloon.
Very good. How to spell balloon?
B um,
A
N B N L L O O N.
Bunyinya
Balloon.
balloon. Okay,
Balloon.
balloon. Okay, thank you. Very good. Berikutnya, Esther.
Stir.
Esther, what is this saying? Yes, sir.
Yes.
What?
Teacher, can you give me a hint?
Esther, what is this?
Sorry, teacher, can you give me a hint?
This is,
Oh, monster.
yes. How to spell monster?
Monster.
Very good. Thank you, Esther. Good job. Berikutnya, Kaisara.
Pirate hat.
Very good. How to spell pirate hat?
P I R A T E H A T. Pirate hat.
Thank you, Kaisara. Anas, what is this saying? Anas,
Tahu.
what? Apa dia?
Tak tahu.
Kita beri clue, jangan risau.
Crown.
Very good. How to spell crown?
Crown.
Very good. Thank you, Anas. Raja Aminah, what is this saying?
Puzzle.
How to spell puzzle?
Puzzle.
ZZL. Yes, very good. The puzzle. Thank you, Raja Aminah. Thank you so much. Berikutnya, Aisyah Hani, what is this saying?
This is doll.
How to spell doll?
Doll.
Very good, Aisyah Hani. Thank you so much. Berikutnya, Auni. Auni Sofia, what is this thing?
Bear.
Yes, bear. Kat sini apa?
Teddy.
How to spell teddy?
T E D D U A Y.
Very good. How to spell bear?
Bear.
Very good. Thank you, Auni. Good job. Ida, what is this thing? Ida? Ida?
Robot.
Yes, robot. A robot. How to spell robot, Ida? Mm,
ROBOT.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Ida. Osman, what is this thing, Osman?
Is a
Bahasa Melayu plasticine. Bahasa English panggil
clay.
clay apa? Clay, yes, you are right. Tapi ada satu lagi perkataan dia. Play apa?
Uh,
Play apa?
Play doh.
Ya, Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Yes, very good. Eja untuk se boleh?
Boleh.
Okay, cuba eja. One, two, three, go.
Playdogl.
Ish.
H.
Bunyinya?
Play-Doh.
Yeah, Play-Doh. Okay, very good. Osman, darjah berapa Osman?
And 7.
Osman, tahun berapa?
1.
Tahun satu. Very good, very good. Pandai Osman eja. Thank you, Osman. Good job.
You welcome.
Okay, berikutnya kita bagi Esther. What does you think, Esther?
Yes.
Apa ni? Cuba teka.
Gambar.
Siapa yang macam siapa keliru juga? Kenapa ada tiga kat situ? Sama-sama kita cari jawapan.
Hmm.
Kenapa ada
Toy train.
toy train? Are you sure dia punya jawapan tu adalah toy train? Korang
Maybe.
rasa yang lain-lain?
Maybe.
Kejap, kejap. Saya tengok jawapan ni dulu. Ya Allah, telefon sepun. Nah, tak tahu kenapa macam ni. Sekejap, setuju. Sekarang sebab soalan, saya terlupa dia punya skema jawapan tu.
Apa nak tukar?
Sekejap, Match. Victory. Betul, betul. Toy trains. Cuba je. Mhm.
Toytrains.
Yes. Bunyinya
Toy trains.
very good. Ataupun satu lagi, selalu kita dengar dalam movie, dia orang panggil train set lah. Set mainan kereta api lah. Train set, okay? Thank you, Esther. Kaisara, what is this?
Toy car.
Very good. Cuba je.
Toycar. Toy car.
Yes. Thank you so much. Berikutnya. Anas. What is this, Anas? 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 Apa ni jawapan dia? Mainan papan.
Board game.
Very good. How to spell board game?
BOARDGAME.
Lajunya. Sekali lagi, ikut yang saya tulis.
BOR BOARDGAME. Board game.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. Very good, very good, Anas. Okay, Aisyah. What is this, Aisyah? Kalau bahasa Melayu, pistol air.
Water gun.
Very good. How to spell water gun?
Water. Atergun.
Very good, Aisyah. Thank you so much. Oh, Alhamdulillah kita bagi praktis B. Tapi untuk bulan puasa kita buat laju sikit sebab saya tahu kamu puasa kamu penat betul jadi nak tidur sebab kita mula kemungkinan kita habis lewat lah. Patutnya kita habis 9 suku tapi kita mula jam 9. So kita buat cepat sikit tau. Okay, praktis B. Ramai-ramai cuba baca, buka mikrofon. Cuba baca apa yang dia tulis kat sini. 1, 2, 3, go!
Today
Today is Alan's birthday. Everyone is given a present.
him a present.
Okay, thank you. Today is Alan's birthday. Hari ni hari birthday Alan. Everyone is getting him a present. Semua orang nak bagi hadiah dekat Alan ni. Alan ni lah. Alan ni. So, kita tengok. Kita mulakan dengan Osman, cuba jawab. Saya tak mau tolong dulu. Osman tengok dulu macam mana. Dan cuba jawab.
So, is it going, kena salin ke yang ni?
Ya, saya salin juga.
Okay, alright.
Okay. So, Osman, cuba tengok. Dia adalah perbualan di antara, ini Alan tau. So, ini bapa dia lah dad-nya. Nampak? Ni dad. Okay, so, uh, Osman cuba jawab dulu soalan ni. Ini jawapan dia. Bukan mic, Osman.
I have a teddy bear for you.
Okay, Alan balas apa?
Thanks, Dad.
Very good. Thank you. Yang lain faham cara jawab? Okay, thank you, Osman. Berikutnya, Raja Aminah.
Here, here is here is balloons for you.
Betul, tapi kat sini dia guna is, so kita guna a. Ini kita masuk grammar sikit tapi tak apalah, kamu hafal je. A balloon for you. Betul, Alan balas balik kata apa?
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, mom. Baca sekali lagi.
Here is a balloon for you. Thanks, Mom.
Bukan balloon.
Very good, Raja Aminah. Thank you so much. Okay, berikutnya Ida. Ida,
I got you a magnet
apa ni dapat apa ni? Dia dapat hadiah apa ni?
game
A board
board.
game. Thanks. Ellen kata balas balik. Thanks apa?
Grandma.
Grandma. Baca balik.
I got you a board game. Thanks, Grandma.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Ida. Esther.
This robot is for you. Thanks, Grandpa.
Okay. Betul, betul, betul. This robot is for you. Thanks, Grandpa. Thank you, Esther. Kaisara.
I bought you a skateboard. Thanks, Mom.
Very good. Thanks. Mam ke? Tengok balik nama dia.
Auntie.
Mhm. Thank you, Kaisara. Anas.
I want to give you this yo-yo. Thanks, Uncle.
Okay. Thank you very much. Aisyah.
I would like you to have this is rollerblades.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jessie.
Okay, good job. Auni.
This water gun is a gift for you. Thanks, Jim.
Very good. Thank you, Auni. Uh, siapa nak jawab ni?
Saya. 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 Saya.
Bagi
Saya,
Osman
saya,
dulu.
saya,
Kita
saya,
bagi
saya,
Osman.
saya, saya,
Allah Akbar,
saya.
Allah Akbar. Kita bagi Osman dulu. Betul Bro Aisyah tau. Okey, Osman teruskan.
Okay. I have a shirt. Shirt. This is for you. It is a ball. Thanks, Miss In and
Okay, thank you. Very good. Aisyah Hani, teruskan.
I hope you might like this clown hat. Thanks, Jenny.
Very good. Okey, Alhamdulillah. Semua dapat jawab. Kita baca cepat hari ni ya. Okey, supaya kamu ada waktu. Uh, I know you already tired already with school. Dengan puasa lagi. Kita cuba habis dengan cepat. Okey, sekarang ni kita sambung. Tadi Aisyah ni kita sambung dengan Auni Sofia. Osman. Osman, teruskan.
how much ball?
How many balls?
How many balls are on the shelf?
Mm-hmm.
There are 3 balls.
Very good. Thank you, Osman. Raja Aminah.
How many dolls are on the shelf?
Mm-hmm.
There are 4 dolls.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Raja Aminah. Ida, teruskan.
How many Play-Dohs there are on the shelf? There are 5 Play-Doh sets.
Thank you so much. Very good, Ida. Esther.
How many skipping ropes are on the shelf? There is one skipping rope.
Very good. Kaisara. Kaisara.
How many monsters are on the shelf? There are 6 monsters.
6 monster. Very good. Thank you, Kaisara. Okay. Anas.
If I were a
If.
king,
If.
if I were a king, I need a pirate king.
If I were a king, I need a...
Pirate king.
Kenapa nak Pirate King pula?
Crown.
Yes. I need a crown. Thank you, Anas. Aisyah Hani.
If I were a soldier, I need a water guns.
Yes. Ini game kita ni sekarang ni, soalan ni dia macam kamu kanak-kanak lah kamu. If I were a king, dia macam seolah kamu berlakon role play. Jadi watak lah. Ni jadi soldier, perlulah water gun. Okay. Thank you. Aisyah Hani. Auni Sofia.
if I need a
If I were...
tiger.
Yes, toy car. Okay, good. Thank you. Osman.
Yes.
Teruskan.
If I were a football player, I need ball.
Yes, ball. Thank you.
You're
Raja
welcome.
Aminah. Raja Aminah.
Construction worker. I wear a costume.
Mm-hmm.
If I were a costume construction worker lah. I need
Construction worker. Yang buat bangunan tu. Kalau kamu berlakon, kamu jadi construction worker. Raja Aminah nak ambil yang mana? Building block?
builder blocks.
Okay. Building. Building blocks. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Kita pergi ke reading time. Okay. Tengok gambar ni. Okay. Seorang budak tengah main lah dengan mainan-mainan je kan. Okay, Osman. Osman baca dulu. Teruskan Osman. Kali ni seorang baca 2 kali ya. Osman, buka mic.
Alex has a mini toy in his room. His the living room is toy car arrow is all will with robot be louder. He's throw with ball, night car, and
Osman, fokus.
It is your gun up and down. Spray face after that his jump. With his sticker, Rob Alex, my toy make me happy.
Thank you. Osman cukup sekali je sebab kita bagi orang lain pula. Okay? Okay, thank you Osman. Raja Aminah, teruskan.
Alex has many toys in his room. His driver has toy car around and the floor while let his robot Babs lounge. Then her trunks has ball high and catch. It has yo-yo goes up and down, keeping fast. After then, he jumps while he's skipping. Rubber Alan's smelling toys make me happy.
Very good. Thank you, Raja Amina. Okay, Ida, teruskan.
Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car over the floor with his robot paper slaughter. Then he throws his ball pig and chases it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skipping rope. Alan Smith's toys make me happy.
Thank you. Esther.
Alan's toy adventure. Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catches it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skipping rope. Alan smiles. Toys make me happy.
Very good. Thank you. Siapa yang keluar tu? Esther, teruskan.
Alan's toy
Tadi
adventure.
Esther kan? Sorry.
Ayo.
Sebab berlari. So ada orang keluar. Bila orang keluar, susunan nama kamu dekat sepunya lari tau. Tu yang tadi Esther ke tadi ya? Okay. Thank you Esther. Anas pula.
Alan's toy adventure. Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catches it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his speaking rope. Alan's smart toys make me happy.
Thank you. Aisyah Hani.
Alan Toy Adventure. Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catch it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skipping rope. Alan smiled. Toy make me happy.
Thank you. Auni Sofia.
Alan Toys Adventure. Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catches it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skipping Alan smiles. Toy make me happy.
Thank you. Sarah. Sarah dah baca belum?
Belum.
Okay, teruskan.
Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catches it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skipping rope. Alan smiles. Toys make me happy.
Very good. Okay, sekarang ni saya nak tolong kamu. Kamu ikut saya. Tak perlu buka mic. Tapi tolong tolong baca kuat-kuat kat rumah tau. Okay, tolong baca kuat-kuat. Tak perlu buka mic. Cuma baca kuat-kuat je. Ikut sebaca. Faham? Okay.
Faham.
Alan's toy
Alan.
Adventure. Okay. Alan's toy adventure. So ulang 3 kali ni. Alan's toy adventure. Okay, itu tajuk dia. Tajuk dia. Kita pergi ke dia punya teks dia. Cerita dia. Alan. Kita buat go one by one. Alan. Alan. Alan.
Alan
Has.
has
Tak perlu buka mic. Tak perlu buka mic. Baca di luar mic je. Okay. Has. Has. Many. 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 Toys. 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 In. 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 His. 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 Room. 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 He. Bukan her, ah. He. He. He.
he
Okay. Drives. Drives.
drives
Drives. Okay. His. His.
his
His. Toy. 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 Car. Car. Car.
car
Around. Around.
around
Around. Okay.
the
Floor. Floor. Floor.
floor
While.
why
His. His.
his
Robot. Robot. Robot.
robot
Beeps. Beeps. Beeps.
beeps
Loudly. Loudly. Loudly.
loudly
Then.
then
He.
he
Throws.
throws
His.
his
Ball.
ball
High.
high
N.
and
Catches. Thank you. It. His. Yo. Goes. Up. N. Down. Very good. Okay, ini ramai tak sebut tadi. Sorry. Spinning. Fast. After. That.
That.
He
He.
jumps, jumps, jumps.
Jumps.
With.
With.
His.
His.
Skipping, skipping, skipping.
Skipping.
Rope, bukan roper aja roper tadi Rope, rope, rope.
Rope.
Ellen.
Ellen.
Smiles, smiles, smiles.
Smile.
Toys.
Toys.
Make.
Make.
Me.
Me.
Happy.
Happy.
Okey, ramai-ramai ikut saya baca. Buka mic. Okey. Bismillah. Ellen has many toys
Ellen has many toys
in his room.
in his room.
He drives
He drives
his toy car
his toy car
around the floor
around the floor
while
while
robot
his robot
beeps loudly.
loudly.
Then
Then
he throws
he throws
his ball
his ball
high
high
and
and
you see it
catches it.
catches it.
Catches it.
Okay. His yo-yo
His yo-yo
goes up and down,
go up and down,
spinning fast.
spinning fast.
After that,
After that,
he jumps
he jumps
with
with
his skipping rope.
his skipping rope.
Ellen smiles.
Ellen smiles.
Toys make me happy.
Toys make me happy.
Okay, sekarang saya nak kamu baca ramai-ramai buka mikrofon. Saya nak kamu baca, saya nak dengar dulu. Betul tak kamu dia tangkap hari ni? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ellen has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor. His toy car around the floor. When his robot beeps loudly, that robot spins high and catch his yo-yo and down. His ball with the high skipping rope. Happy. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, his jump is skipping rope and smiles. Toys make me happy.
Very good, everyone. Thank you. Okay, sekarang ni saya nak kamu belajar teknik membaca, iaitu tengok perkataan terus bunyi. Saya tak nak kamu jadi bahasa Melayu. Jangan apply ilmu mengeja bahasa Melayu dalam bahasa Inggeris. Dia orang tak sama tak sama. So, kalau eja bahasa Melayu, kamu akan eja betul tak? H-A-R-S, has. Jangan Jangan macam tu. Boleh guna, tapi jarangkan. Sebab apa? English ni sebab dia tak boleh guna sangat. Sebab eja lain, bunyi lain tau. Sebab tu segalak kan. Kamu nampak je. H-A-has, bunyinya has. 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 She has a book. Okay? Sebab tu go through one by one tadi word tadi perasan tak? Macam ni kamu nampak. Ini kan. Kau nampak ni bunyi, tak dia takkanlah bunyi moni kan? Dia mesti bunyi many. So nampak je MANY, hafal je bunyinya adalah many. Many. Okay. Sama juga dengan toys. Nampak je ejaan ni, tahu kamu tahu dah bahasa Melayu je bunyi toys kan, bunyi macam tu kan. Tapi kamu hafal bunyinya untuk English toys. Okay. Contohnya, ini ROOM. Kalau English dalam bahasa Melayu kalau kamu eja ROOM room kan, room kan. So jangan walaupun kamu boleh apply bahasa Inggeris bahasa Melayu punya ejaan, tapi kamu kena ingat kamu tengok huruf ni keseluruhan huruf pula perkataan ni keseluruhan perkataan dan kamu terus bunyikan dia room room room. Ini lebih baguslah bagi kamu baca satu-satu sebab bila baca satu kamu akan menghadapi kesukaran bila mana ini parent boleh nampak lah. Contohnya kalau kita eja PU PUT put CUT cut. So kalau dia mengeja tak akan bunyi, dia akan PUT put CUT could. Dia akan bunyi macam tu Sebab tu segalakkan untuk English kita belajar whole word attack. Macam mana nak dapat kemahiran ni? Rajin-rajin membaca. Rajin-rajin membaca. Kalau boleh, buka YouTube yang bahagian bacaan. Orang baca kamu dengar, orang baca kamu dengar. Kalau boleh kan ada buku yang ada warna dekat perkataan tu kan. Itu buku tu sangat bagus. Ada videonya, ada apa tu, ada buku tu yang sekali dengan dia punya rakaman tu dia bagi QR code untuk dengar rakaman tu sangat-sangat bagus. Kamu cari buku tu, cari buku macam tu. Sebab dia membantu kamu. Sebab kalau kita nak mengeja macam ni, ada okey kalau nanti kamu masuk sekolah mendengar, kalau kamu masih lagi menggunakan ejaan, kalau sebaik ejaan ni kamu nak bunyi macam mana? Renders. Kejap tak sekali check. Sorry. Spell me rendezvous.
Here's what I found.
Okay. Kamu tahu tak ejaan ni rendezvous. Kamu tahu tak bunyi dia apa? Kalau kamu menggunakan teknik ejaan membunyi, kamu eja sebiji satu kataan, satu huruf ke satu huruf, kamu akan bunyi rendezvous. Tapi disebabkan English ini pelik, bunyinya adalah rendezvous. Rendezvous. Sebab tu, biasakan belajar whole word attack. Nampak keseluruhan perkataan, terus bunyikan. Terus bunyikan. Bahasa Cina macam tu lah. Dia orang begini, begini, begini. Bunyi terus perkataan tu. Tak adalah dia orang nak adjust satu bunyi begini, satu ini ke bawah bunyi begini, ke atas bunyi begitu. Tak, dia orang hafal. Teknik itu lagi berkesan untuk pembelajaran macam kita yang bukan native speaker ni orang native speaker boleh ada orang eja. Kita bukan native speaker, jangan dok mengeja macam ni. Ini pengalaman saya lah pengalaman saya sebagai cikgu dekat 15 tahun ini dalam mengajar English. Better mengeja whole word attack macam saja kamu tadi tu. Parent pun boleh ajar begitu. Tunjuk kat anak perkataan, terus bunyikan. Tak payah duk fast, fast memang dia apply jangan tak boleh apply rule ejaan bahasa Melayu ke dalam rule ejaan bahasa Inggeris sebab it's totally bukan wrong, different so I hope you understand this anak-anak murid sir macam saja tadi, so to go through one by one. untuk kamu faham tangkap bunyi huruf. Tapi saya nampak tadi ada alhamdulillah waktu kamu baca ramai-ramai tadi ada pelajar yang dapat tangkap huruf tu. Spinning pun sebut betul dah. Nampak tak? Nampak tak? Kamu nampak je ejaan spinning tu. Kamu dah boleh sebut dah. This is spinning. Dia tak bunyi pening, dia tak bunyi pining, tapi dia bunyi spinning, spinning. Macam tu. Okey. Sekarang kita nak uji balik. Kita mulakan dengan Osman. Nak tengok berkesan tak pembelajaran tadi itu yang menyebut tadi itu. Osman baca balik tanpa mesti keliling dia. Okey, terus Osman.
Alex has many toys in his room. His then drive his toy car uh,
Nampak tak?
around the
Hmm.
floor.
Ah,
When
jangan mengeja, terus saja bunyi.
his room a robot
Mengeja lagi. Terus dia bunyi.
beep
Very good.
with louder than his roaring
Jangan eja, jangan eja.
draw
Okay.
with ball and heart and catch
Tak ingat saya sebut tadi tu. Catches.
catches it his yo-yo go up and down.
Yes. Jangan. Kamu tahu tak, kalau kamu salah dengan saya tak bunyi goes up pun tak ada masalah. Yang penting kamu baca dulu. Saya nak kelancaran dulu. Keyakinan dulu. Okay, teruskan.
Fast,
Betul.
faster than
Mhm.
jump with
Hmm.
is skipping rope. Alex, my toys make me happy.
Nampak tak beza kan? Yang sebelum tadi Osman baca dengan sekarang. Tanya Osman, ada peningkatan. Ingat, jangan mengeja seketul-seketul. Osman ingat balik cara sebutan saja. Macam tu Osman. Good job. Okay, Aisyah pula. Aisyah ini, teruskan.
Alan Toy Adventure. Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catch it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skipping rope. Alan smiled, toys make me happy.
Alhamdulillah, Aisyah ini meningkat. Berbeza dengan yang tadi. Nampak tak? Teknik ini, rahsia teknik ini. Ya, bagus mengeja, tapi jangan terlalu mengeja sangat. Hanya menghafal saja. Dan tolonglah cari buku tu, tak ada buku tu, buku pergi kat YouTube, carilah yang orang tu bercakap sebab apa? Ini adalah cara belajar orang putih lah sebenarnya. Diorang belajar bukan melalui baca mengeja, tahu tak rahsia diorang. Mat Saleh, contohnya lah kan, kamu lahir dekat Amerika ke, dekat London ke, kamu pergi ke belajar mengeja, terus pandai macam orang putih. Tak. Kamu dengar saja, ambil whole word tu, kataan tu kan, kamu guna balik. Itu teknik yang sebenarnya. Kita guna balik native speaker punya cara. Diorang kat sekolah diorang mana? Waktu diorang lahir, umur 3-4 tahun, diorang mengeja ke? MANY, many. Tak, itu cara pembelajaran linguistik. Kita nak belajar language. So bila nak belajar language, the best way is whole word. Tapi untuk dapat whole word tu, somebody kena tunjuk sebutan dululah. Tunjuk sebutan dulu. Okay, Aisyah ni sangat meningkat, sangat sedap, English pun sedap jadi dah. Very good, tahniah. Okay, Raja Aminah, kita try pula cerita Raja Aminah. Ada peningkatan tak? Kita try dulu, ha? Ingat, jangan mengeja, Ingat balik yang saya sebut tadi tu.
Ellen has many toys in his room. Her drivers,
Mhm. Hmm.
he drivers,
Jangan mengeja.
driver
Mhm. Teruskan.
his toys car around the floor
Teruskan, very good. Betul lah. Teruskan.
while his robot
Ingat yang saya ajar tadi tu.
beeps loud
Jangan mengeja. Ingat tadi loudly. Yes.
Then he threw
Very good.
his ball
Yes.
high
Ingat balik yang saya sebut tadi. High and.
catch.
Very good.
It
Yes.
has yo-yo.
Mhm.
Goes up and down.
Very good.
Spinning fast.
Yes.
After that, he jumped
Hmm.
with his skipping rope.
Yes.
Alice small toys make me happy.
Ya Allah, Raja Aminah berbeza yang tadi. Alhamdulillah, syukur. Good job, Raja Aminah. Nampak tak? Beza tu, teknik dia tu. Very good. Alhamdulillah, ada peningkatan. Good job, Raja Aminah. Okay, Idah pula. Idah dah pelajar lama, confirm bacaan sedap pun. Okay, Idah, terus ke Idah.
Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor where his robot
Teruskan, jangan ngeja. Teruskan je, bunyi. Jangan takut. Salah pun.
then he throws his bell
Hmm?
kick and catch it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast.
Very good.
After that, he jumps with his skipping rope. Alan's Snail's toys make me happy.
Very good. Thank you. Ada perubahan. Esther. Esther memang power dah. Okay, teruskan Esther dengan lajunya. Esther.
Alan's toy.
Mm-mm. Teruskan. Very good. Teruskan.
Alan's toy adventure. Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then
Mengeja Esther. Teruskan. Laju je.
he throws his ball high and catches it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skipping rope. Alan smiles. Toys make me happy.
Very good. Thank you Esther. Thank you so much. Anas. Ingat Anas, jangan cuba mengeja. Nampak je perkataan bunyikan terus. Macam saya tunjuk salah satu tadi. Anas. Anas. Anas.
Alan's toy adventure. Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catches it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skippy rope. A smile to toys make me happy.
Very good. Thank you. Itu bagus. Auni Sofia, teruskan. Ingat Auni, jangan cuba mengeja. Ingat balik sebutan yang saya tunjuk tadi tu.
Alan toy adventure.
Very good.
Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robot beeps loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catches it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his, his skipping rope. Ellen smiled. Toy make me happy.
Very good. Oh ni, good job. Tahniah, nampak tak ni perbezaan sebelum yang selepas tu. Very good Auni. Sangat-sangat meningkat. Lancar. Okay, berikutnya Kaisara. Ready?
Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while
Tak,
his
Kaisara. Ulang balik. Kali ni tak mau mengeja. Tak, tu sedengar, seboleh dengar Kaisara mengeja tadi. Baca saja. Nampak perkataan tu Kaisara. I know you can do it sebab you are very bright student. Kaisara nampak je perkataan tu Kaisara. Kaisara bunyi je. Terus bunyi. Jangan cuba H-A-S has M-A-N-Y many tak. Nampak M-A-N-Y many. Nampak T-O-Y twice. Macam tu. Faham kan Kaisara? Sekali lagi. One, two, three.
Alan has many toys in his room. He drives his toy car around the floor while his robots beep loudly. Then he throws his ball high and catches it. His yo-yo goes up and down, spinning fast. After that, he jumps with his skipping rope. Alan smiles. Toys make me happy.
Congratulations Kaisara. Alhamdulillah. Tanya semua. Very, very good. Ingat teknik ni, cara dia pendedahan dahulu dalam linguistik English, dia ada dia ada input, baru kamu boleh buat keluar output. So tekniknya, carilah YouTube. Kalau dulu zaman saya dulu, cikgu English akan bagi lagu lah. Perkenalkan lagu, perkataan. Automatik anak-anak murid saya. Ya Allah. Jujur cakap, automatik kamu boleh bagus bahasa Inggeris. Kamu tak semestinya, bagi tahu kamu, sedulu kan, kena perli dengan cikgu Ha, tahu kenapa saya dapat teknik ni macam mana? Sebab dulu sekolah rendah kan. Se, cuba kamu eja ni. Cuba kamu eja ni. Bunyi apa?
Decorate. Decorate.
Tak nak saya eja dulu macam mana? Kan saya eja bahasa Melayu. De, ko, rek. Decorate. Decorate. Cikgu Inggeris tu kata salah. Sebab, sebab apa? Tidak boleh mengeja dengan teknik bahasa Melayu untuk bahasa BI. So, last kali apa yang saya jumpa? When, anytime, when I see this word, bunyinya decorate. Faham? Decorate. Dia bukan decorate. Bukan. Bila anytime saya jumpa perkataan ni, saya hafal dalam mindasa, this is going to be decorate. Decorate. Saya tidak mengeja, tapi saya hafal. Bila saya jumpa perkataan ni, ya, saya tahu bunyi D-E-O-C-O. Saya tahu. Memang saya tahu. Everyone know. Kamu confirm tahu A, B, C sampai Z tahu. Bunyi pun kamu tahu. Tetapi, untuk menyebut perkataan tu kan, kamu kena hafal keseluruhan dia. So, bila saya jumpa perkataan ni, decorate. Decorate. Faham? So, parent-parent, moms and dad boleh apply ilmu ni untuk anak-anak. Beli buku ataupun ada jualan yang mengenai ataupun kat YouTube ke apa ke yang mengenai bacaan yang ada baca betul orang tersebut amalkan. Sangat-sangat membantu kamu dalam bahasa Inggeris. Kamu nampak tak? Kamu dengan tak sampai sejam pun, dalam sejam lebih ni, kamu dah boleh cepat tangkap, kamu bayangkan. Teknik ni kamu amal kat rumah, sendiri kat rumah, kamu akan dapat insya-Allah kamu boleh menguasai bacaan English dengan baik, speaking English dengan baik. Amalkan ilmu yang sebagin sekongsi untuk kamu ni, kamu amalkan. Tak perlu mengeja. Tapi macam mana nak dapat bacaan? You must know lah. Sekarang teknologi macam-macam. Kau orang type dekat telefon pun dia boleh sebut kan. Pergi kat Google Translate pun dia boleh sebut untuk kamu. Itu cara dia. No need to eja-eja. Memang even though you going phonic pun, dia pun tak boleh explain untuk kamu. So dah tengok dah video phonics daripada Amerika, dia explain penggunaan mengapa E ada kat hujung. Ya Allah. Kalau kamu dengar as a student, bukannya native speaker, kamu dah lah bukan native speaker kan? Kamu bukannya penutur jati, kamu bukan Mak Saleh lah bahasa Melayunya. Confuse. Confuse. Seriously, confuse. Contohnya, T-A-K-E. E kat belakang tak bunyi dalam phonics. Dia macam TAKE tahu dalam fonik tu aja macam mana yang Amerika tu. Sebab research. Dia kata E ni pergi ke depan. TEEK, take. Macam mana E pergi depan pula? Kita yang bukan penutur jati ni mampus nak ingat ya Allah rakam. Jenuh nak mengingat. Betul tak? Ada berpuluh juta perkataan BI yang setiap satu ejaan adalah penerangan yang mengarut-ngarutnya. So the best way adalah whole word attack. Nampak je decorate, bunyinya decorate. Decorate. Itu saja. Tak perlulah C-O-C-O R-A-K-T-E rate. Tak perlu. Nampak je decorate, decorate, decorate. Itu teknik yang paling bagus. Even though Mak Saleh pun diorang belajar pembelajaran. Kamu belajar, contohnya kamu umur tahun 1, tahun 2, pergi, contohnya parent kamu hantar kamu pergi ke Amerika, kamu boleh belajar BI, kamu boleh bercakap BI dengan lancar. Sebab apa? Teknik ini. Whole word attack. Bukannya melalui mengeja. Salah teknik itu. Ni pengalaman saya, salah tengok semua pengalaman saya. Ada pakar-pakar pendidikan yang hebat lagi kat luar sana lah. Diorang ada pendapat diorang lah. Tapi kamu berguru dengan saya akan ajar yang mudahkan kamu supaya kamu cepat ni. Sebeliter panjang hari ni. Untuk mudahkan kamu faham. Saya akan cari yang paling kamu cepat mudah faham. Kalau siapa yang bersama dengan saya dah lama dah, diorang akan faham tu. Saya akan memudahkan, cari pendekatan, cari teknik untuk memudahkan kamu faham. This is the best way untuk kamu. Okay. So, tanpa menikah masa, sorry terajak. Kita jumpa lagi pada minggu hadapan. Selamat berpuasa semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Good night, sir.
Nice.